Hello and welcome to another video by Alice Blue. In this video, we'll be looking at how to apply for an IPO using the Rise application. To start with, open your Rise app either on desktop or mobile. If you're using the mobile app, open the app and scroll down to this IPO section. The details will be the same for both mobile and desktop. Firstly, we can see the live, upcoming and closed IPOs. In the live section, one IPO is available. Here, we can see the company name, its category SME, meaning higher risk and lower liquidity than mainboard IPOs, then the price range between which you can place your bid, minimum number of shares that you must apply for, then the application window, which in this case will be open from the 26th December 2025 to 30th December 2025. On the last day, the bids will be closed at 4 p.m, so keep that in mind. Now, if you click on this arrow, you will get to see a detailed view of the IPO, such as the lot size, issue size, face value, and minimum investment that you have to apply for. Then you can track the timeline of this IPO, like when the offer starts, ends, when it will be mandated, allotted, the refund, credit, and listing. Then you can see the objectives of the company, followed by the shareholding pattern and its strengths and risks. After going through all these details carefully, you can proceed to apply for the IPO. Now, if you click on Apply Now, first you have to select the investor type. Retail if your bid amount is less than 2 lakhs and more than 2 lakhs will be considered HNI. You're allowed to place 3 bids. Now, if we look at the bid section, you can either select the maximum or the cutoff price, or you can manually set the price between this range. Next is the number of shares. 1600 is the minimum number of shares that you must apply for. Lot size is 800, so minimum lot size that you must apply for is 2. Next, enter your UPI ID. Below that, you can see the total amount. Keep in mind that this total amount will not be immediately deducted from your bank account. It will only be blocked until the IPO shares are allocated. In case it doesn't, then the fund will get unblocked in your bank account. Click on this checkbox and you can apply for this IPO. Once you have applied for the IPO, a UPI request will be sent to your UPI app. You must approve this request to block the required amount, else your IPO application will be considered invalid. After the IPO closes, the allotment process begins. During this time, shares are allocated based on demand and the category you applied under. If you receive an allotment, the blocked amount will be debited from your bank account and the shares will be credited to your demat account. If not, then the blocked amount will be unblocked and will be available for use in your bank account. If you have any questions or queries, you're free to raise a ticket and our team will be happy to help you out. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.